In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a picture over your video in Filmora. So first, drag your main video onto the timeline if you haven't already. Now, to add your image, go to the top left and click Import Media. Select the image you want to use from your computer, and it will appear in your media panel. Once the image is imported, drag it onto the timeline above your video track. Now, the image will likely fill the entire screen. To adjust that, click on the image in the preview window. You'll see white handles. Use them to resize the image smaller. Then drag it to wherever you want on the screen, for example, the bottom left corner. You can also rotate the image using the small curved handle above the image. Now let's animate it. With the image selected, click on the Animation tab and choose one of the presets. I'll select Slide Right. Click to apply. Now when you play it back, the image smoothly slides into the frame, just like that. That's how you add and animate a picture in Filmora. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.